Hello my purse peeps, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share some items I picked up from the Coach outlet over the past few weeks, including some new accessory additions to my Michel Basquiat collection, as well as a Michel Basquiat bag that I found on Amazon. I picked up some really cute stuff, so please stay tuned. Okay, let's dig right in here. Let me open up this first Coach item from the Coach outlet. Okay, so this first item is item number C5991, and it's the Basquiat Floral Corner Zip Wristlet. So let's take a look and see what pattern I picked up. Check it out. How colorful and cute is this? So as you may know from a prior video, I did have a haul, if you will, of some Basquiat items. I went back because I don't have anything with this flower print and thought I would pick this item up as well. This is the Coach Michel Basquiat Corner Zip Wristlet. The color is gold and black multi. As I indicated, the item number is C5991. It's made of refined pebbled leather, so it's really cute. I love the colors on the outside with the yellow, green, and pink. So it'll be good to match up with a lot of different bags. The wristlet is not detachable. And let me open it up here. Looks like it's getting snagged on the zipper. Okay. So on the inside, it has 1, 2 credit card slots. It has the Coach patch on the back. It has the oxblood interior. And let's see, here's the tag if you're interested, that shows the information. Okay, so it does have, I guess the only organization is the inside credit card slots, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, and that's the corner zip wristlet. Now let's open up this next piece. All right, so this is the Coach Michel Basquiat small boxy cosmetic case with the same flower print and beautiful colors in black refined pebbled leather. So a matching piece here. And let me take out this paper. They really stuff these good, don't they? Okay, on the inside of this one, it has that same oxblood interior, has the Coach patch on the back. It has 1 slip pocket on the inside. It has the gold tone hardware with the raised Coach on the front. And it is item number C5744. And the measurements on the cosmetic case is it's 6 inches in length, it's 3 3/4 inches in height, and it's 3 3/4 inches in width. Style 6754. So it'll make a cute companion set to add to my Basquiat collection. And again, I love the colors for easy matching. Then this Basquiat piece I got off of Amazon. I know we've done a lot of I've done a lot of my Basquiat, or all of my Basquiat comes from Coach, but I found this bag on Amazon. Not really sure what to expect, but I did see that it was also with the Basquiat artwork and I thought it was very, very vibrant, and it has a lot of the artwork all over it. So I really want to take some time to kind of understand what this piece is, and kind of examine all the different information on this bag, because I thought it was really cute. So this is a tote bag from Amazon, and in the inside it has one slip pocket, and I will post the measurements as well. It has black zipper tape as well as black zipper, which looks like it might be plastic. So very colorful and vibrant. And I am looking forward to adding a less expensive Basquiat piece to my collection. And I don't remember the cost on this. I think it was less than $20 if I'm not mistaken. I will make sure to post that on this in the description of this video. But what a great option for Basquiat if you're so interested. So looking forward to carrying all these pieces together, and that concludes my Basquiat Coach unboxings. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so this is the Dreamer Wristlet in Colorblock from Coach. I saw this pop up on the site in limited quantities, and I wanted to make sure I snatched it up. You will recall from a prior video that I do have this piece in purple, and I will share a link to that video. But I think these Dreamer wristlets are very, very cute. So when I saw it pop up, I did not want to let it go by. This one has, as you can see, an attachable wristlet or detachable wristlet strap here. Here is the tag. But it is style number 71650, and it is in the color Brass Mist Straw Multi. So you see it has this pretty blue color on the front. It has like the chalk color around the lining, and that might be straw actually. Then it has this like tan color on the inside here in the crevice. It has the gold tone hardware with the gold rivets on the back, again with that blue. It has the brass hardware, and it is outside pocket that has the magnetic snap closure. It has blue interior, so lots of really pretty colors here. And you can see all the Coach imprints on the hang tag, Coach imprint on the zipper, Coach imprint also on the, I guess that's it. And when you open her up, she has the leather credit card slots, which is 3 credit card slots. She's in the blue. She also has the Coach tag. She has a little bit of dark blue lining here as well. So very pretty, nice combination of color block and the blue. She is fabric lined in the blue as well. So very pretty. I will do a what fits in my Dreamer wristlet in Brass Mist Straw Multi. It is smooth leather, if I didn't say that. She is in the, or actually the length on this is 7 3/4 inches. The width is 1.5 inches, and the height is 4 3/4 inches. So a very cute wristlet to add to my collection with my other Coach Dreamer wristlet. Okay, let's keep it moving. All right, this next item also from Coach. I'm actually surprised to have this because I already got my famous I don't remember. I didn't order 2. Maybe I did order 2. I don't remember. I find myself sometimes if I think something's going to sell out or it might be a hard to find item, I may order 2. I don't specifically remember ordering 2 of these. I'm not going to take all the paper off of it, but it is the pouch. It's the carry-all Basquiat pouch, and you can probably see up on my shelf there, I have it right at the top. I will attach a link to the video, a card to the video, so you can see more details on the Basquiat carry-all pouch from Coach, so you can learn more. Again, I don't really remember purchasing 2, but with me, you kind of never know. And I guess that's also a con of not opening things right away. Okay, so the next item, the last and final item. Okay, these are 2 crossbody bags that I saw a few weeks ago, and I thought they were really cute. So I wanted to snatch them up because I thought they had really cute colors, and they were at a good price. I think at the time, or based on my receipt, they were $92.65 each. And this is the Heritage Convertible Crossbody bag. Check it out. How cute is this? This is another item that was in the men's section because the men seem to have a lot of nice items. I'm really excited by the black copper hardware with this D-ring where you can attach a bag charm or something onto this one. It does not have a detachable strap, so it is a detached or attached strap, and it looks like it has the black copper hardware throughout, and sometimes it's hard for me to tell what's black copper and what's gunmetal, so if I got that wrong, I apologize. I think really what attracted me most to this bag is it's small, and I am generally a small bag carrier, especially for being out and about running errands. I like having a small bag, but what attracted me most to these bags were the straps. The straps are detachable, and the color combination on them I think is just great, and I look forward to actually using these to wear on other bags. So let me show you how she matches this bag, which is in the color, I think this may be Elm. Let me take the paper out and let me show you the details on this one. So yes, this is in the color Elm, E-L-M, and this is item number C1592. She has 2 pockets in the black interior, one here, external, and one here. And then on the attached to the side is the Coach hang tag, and take more out of here. Coach really does stuff the heck out of these bags, huh? And it has the black interior. You can see it has the Coach tag on the inside or patch, and no other organization. I thought again that the strap, which is adjustable to wear it on shoulder or as crossbody, was very cute, and it looks just awesome with this particular bag. So this is the Heritage Crossbody. Again, this one is in the color Elm, and let me tell you about the dimensions. It's 9 3/4 inches in length, it's 6 1/4 inch in height, and it's 2 1/4 inch in width. C1592. How cute is this bag though? Okay, let me quickly open up the other one. Okay, so here's the next one. So check this one out. same bag in a different color. And let me see what color this one is. I think it's terracotta, actually. So let's get some of the paper out of here. And as you would expect, this one is the same style number, different color. And again, the color's terracotta and C1592. And I'll just share that with you. So the same setup, just thought the color here was very pretty as well. And let me open up the strap so you can see how this looks on this bag. Here it is, all opened up. I'll keep the paperwork there. And look at the color on this strap with the terracotta. How cute is that? These bags are so cute, and I am so looking forward to my first outing wearing these little cuties. They're perfect small size bags to fit whatever your primary minimal carry items are. So she looks the same on the inside, but this color to me and the strap and the hardware is just gorgeous, and I think Coach does a great job with their men's bags that double for women's bags when you find the one that really fits your style. So thank you all for joining. That does conclude the video for today. Lots of awesome stuff at Coach. I think all of these items except for the Dreamer are still available on the website, and I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed and you like these types of videos, I would encourage you to subscribe and would really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and share, and of course subscribe. And thank you all for joining, and we will talk soon.